Come on, let's celebrate with me. Woo, woo. Christ is my, hey, celebration. Come on, celebrate with me, celebrate with me. I got notification last night that my channel is now monetized. Yes, my channel is monetized. And trust me, I believe with the journey that I am on right now, God has done a renewal in my life. Now, this platform is getting a brand new face. It's getting a brand new face because I had this one-on-one meeting with God, and I believe that He has given me wisdom to do something different with my platform. Now, don't get me wrong, you will still be getting the behind the scenes of me making my products. I actually have an upcoming video for you that I will be sharing. I'm hoping that I could share that with you soon enough. Some bath salts that I made to get your body looking rejuvenated and healthy. But something new has blossomed out of months and months of sharing videos, taking a step back from my platform. If you look at my other YouTube channel where I speak about more personal and professional development, God touched me someplace last year, and I have been on this spiritual journey trying to find my true purpose for the past few months. If you look at the title of my YouTube platform, you will see that I renamed it. I removed Darcy King Organics, which is my brand where I make all my skincare products, my hair care products, and I have renamed it to the faith-led CEO, because this platform is where I have shared everything with regards to my business, but God has given me something so powerful, I believe, and I wanted to share it with you, especially if you are someone that has a business, you fall short of becoming very successful, you've done a lot of research, you've tried so many things to have a successful business, but something continues to weigh you down. So something continues to weigh you down. I honestly have been where you are. If you had a business and you started it off that big idea, you wanted to become successful, it did not happen. I have been there. Now, I will show you a lot of different clips of different things that I have gotten myself into, and I could tell you there is something that can impact you as a business owner. If you're an entrepreneur, I hope you stick around for these videos because I believe this is something new. So my name is Darcy. Welcome to my YouTube platform.